Okay, so let me know if you guys can hear us clearly.
Okay. Yes, we can hear you.
Okay, so everyone on Instagram can. Okay, they're saying it's clear now. Okay, so guys, let's start another live session with Adore. So today we have a very special guest with us. Today we have Dr. Amna. She's a certified dermatologist and she has her own clinic in Lahore as well, guys. And she has years and years of experience. And you do your own makeup as well, right?
Yeah, of course, my day look is by me.
I saw your page, the makeup room, and I saw the looks, and I really loved them.
Okay, that page is by my sister actually.
Oh wow!
Her name is Maru, and she's a certified makeup artist.
Oh, wow.
She has
the whole family is talented.
Yeah.
So guys, she has a lot of knowledge about makeup as well, but primarily she'll be talking all about your skincare concerns, whether you guys need any product recommendations. So we'll be talking all about that. Yes guys, we'll be catering to all of your problems. Please list them down below and we'll start catering to them. But before that, let me talk about other things. So we have exciting giveaways in this session as well that Dr. Amna will be announcing. She's gonna ask you guys maybe a simple question. It might not be simple, but she'll be asking you guys a few questions, and if you answer them correctly, you guys might win a prize. So don't forget to share and like our live session and share it, because we have more than one giveaway. We also have an engagement based giveaway. So for those of you who will be sharing, liking and commenting a lot on our sessions, you'll be participating in the giveaway as well. So Dr. Amna, so tell us a little about yourself first.
So I've been working in Lahore for past 8 to 9 years. I've been practicing as a dermatologist. I'm also an aesthetic consultant. I do cosmetic procedures, and my clinic is called Cleo Clinical Care. You can follow our Instagram page and get updates. I take care of all sorts of skin disease, hair disease, nail disease, and at the same time I try my best to make you all look more beautiful. So that's what I do. And L'Oreal is one of the brands that we have all heard about, we have all used,
guys,
we have all, in one form or the other, it's something that everyone is familiar with.
Do you use L'Oreal products yourself?
So I do these clinical facials at my clinic. These are clinical level of facials. These are not regular spa or parlor facials. In my clinical facials, I actually use the L'Oreal Revitalift hyaluronic acid serum. I don't think they have yet launched it in Pakistan, but we use that. It comes in a clear bottle and we import the product, we use it. You should stock it at
we are planning on stocking a lot of the international range as well, because we already have a lot of imported products with us. We even brought in NYX and all of these brands that are very famous around here. But I think they've incorporated some of these in their day creams and night creams that they have launched in Pakistan. So guys, one of the products that we'll be talking about is their newly launched L'Oreal Hyaluron Expert. They have a day and night cream, and Dr. Amna will tell us why it's so amazing for all of us.
So like all of you must already be following some kind of regime in your life. You do wake up, wash your face, and you do, apply something or the other. So when we are selecting products in our daily routine, make sure you are using authentic brands. Number one, these brands are preparing products after a very detailed research. They're used on a lot of people, then they give their opinions, and then finally the product comes out in the market. These are not expensive products. These are easily available over the counter, and they're pocket friendly.
I love that. They're so economical. Everyone can.
Yes, and everybody is these things are approachable for all the masses. That's what makes them, more user friendly and more experienced products, because so many people have used them, right? So this range that we are starting and talking about is a specific kind of a day cream which has in an ingredient which is something very well known to people. It's called hyaluronic acid.
Yes, so I absolutely love this ingredient, and you guys, she'll explain more about why it's so good for your skin. But all of you have been asking me non-stop about the ordinary hyaluronic acid, but we've got you the perfect alternative for it. For those of you who want it in a cream and not in a serum, this is the one for you.
So hyaluronic acid, it does a lot of things for you. It is a hydrating serum, yes, because it is a molecule which helps in imbibing water. So what it does is it just takes up if it's a molecule of this size, it will take up 1,000 times its size of water and imbibe it inside. That's why it's the game changer in the market of moisturization of your skin.
Yeah.
So either it's coming in a cream form like we have it here in the L'Oreal cream, or it's coming by The Ordinary in a serum bottle.
Yeah.
They play almost the same role. It's just your preference of how you want to be applying it. A lot of people feel that putting a greasy serum on the skin doesn't absorb in better, but this cream is going to help, and it will just blend in, and it will just settle on your skin more easily. So another thing that the hyaluronic acid does is it plumps up your skin. It's going to make your skin plumped up temporarily. It's not something which happens permanently, but for the day that you apply it, it will just plump up your skin and make it look more nourished, more vibrant, and more radiant. So this is something fantastic to be
I love that they have a day and night variant. For so those of you who are looking for a lighter basically cream on a daily basis, the day cream will work out for you, because I know oily skin just iski hoti hai. They don't want to apply a very heavy cream on their face in the morning, especially मेरी अपनी बहुत ज़्यादा oily skin है, so I prefer gel based moisturizers or moisturizers that are not too heavy on my skin. So I know the day cream variant will work out for a lot of you. In fact, a lot of people are asking कि oily skin or open pores के लिए what they should be doing. So I think this cream will definitely work out for you as well. I think it will work out for everyone. Even people with oily skin can use it, right?
So you see, what people do incorrectly is, if they are someone with oily skin, they think that drying up the skin is the way to let go of oily skin. Actually, that's not how it is. I mean, if you're going to just scorch your skin and remove and strip all the oil, your skin will produce more oil in return.
Exactly.
So you need to use balancing formulas. You need to use, even an oily skin person needs to hydrate their skin. Oily secretions is different, moisturization is different. So hyaluronic acid plays a really good role in keeping your skin moisturized. It's not going to affect how much oil your skin is producing or not producing.
That's a very common misconception these
days. So
it
will just help in balancing the oil of your skin. So don't be afraid to use these kind of products even if you have oily skin. Oil control can be done with other kind of products. Like for example, oil control can be made better with the use of retinol products at night time. I have a feeling that their night cream must have a tad bit of...
They have that Revitalift as well, and this other one, the age defining thing.
So those things can be added. Retinol helps in cleaning your pores, it helps in resurfacing your skin, it helps in improving the balance of your oils of your skin. So adding that as a nighttime portion would be a good idea. I'm using the hyaluronic acid in the morning, and even before when you're going out somewhere and you want to make up your face, you want to apply your foundation. So hyaluronic acid is a good thing to use before your foundation as well, because it's going to make your surface very smooth.
So we have a lot of queries from people. Some people are asking for acne. Simi is asking for pigmentation, and Zara is asking for an oily skincare routine. Along with many people are asking about oily skin, so let's talk about what is good for oily skin, and then let's move on to the acne and pigmentation part.
Alright, so we just started off, I was telling you about oily skin. What I like to add to that is that you can use a good face wash which would have a good content of salicylic acid. So any face wash, you can look up the L'Oreal range as well, and if they have...
I know they have these face washes, these detoxifying, the charcoal wash, and they have this pure clay mask wash. So they have the charcoal one, which is really good for oily skin as well.
Yeah, so that can be incorporated to maintain the oil control.
Other than that, we have a lot of other products available on Adore as well. We have a lot of salicylic acid washes as well, in fact.
So Neutrogena makes a few.
Yes, they do. We have Neutrogena, and there's... do you like Korean skincare? Because we stock up on a lot of Korean products as well.
So Korean skincare is very big, vast market, but being able to have someone recommend a good product is the game changer. So I don't know, I mean, if your forum also recommends people products?
We do recommend them, like they inbox us their queries, like somebody, so we always tell them, like if they're starting with retinol or something like that, we always start them off with the smallest concentration of it, because a lot of people, they have their skins reacting to it and everything. So we assess their skin type, and that's how we recommend their products. But in the L'Oreal range, we asked you guys in the competition as well, where we have some really exciting products. Guys, we're giving away Kerastase products worth 8,500 rupees. All you guys have to do is share with us your favorite products by L'Oreal, Maybelline or Garnier, and tell us why you love them. So moving back to this, okay, so a lot of people are asking about skincare routine. So what would you recommend for sensitive skincare?
Alright, so whenever people question me about what kind of a skincare routine they should have, the first and foremost thing that I want everyone in my country to start doing is using a sunblock.
Yes.
So sun protection is the most important thing you can do to make your skin radiant, to make it glow, to have an even color. We don't understand the importance of this particular product in our regime unless we start using it, or some dermatologist sits and literally bashes you and tells you that it's extremely important. So please do incorporate a good sunblock in your daily routine. It's going to help in a lot of ways. It's going to help you in 100 millions of ways. It's going to be a game changer for you.
So guys, we have the L'Oreal UV Ray sunscreen as well. It's available on Adore. I hope CSR drops down the link below. But we have a beautiful range in sunblocks as well. We have Neutrogena, we have Biore, and we have L'Oreal on sale right now. So if you're looking to buy a good sunblock which does not leave a white residue, because I hate the white residue oily effect on my skin after sunblock.
Okay, so let me tell you why that happens.
Yeah.
When you're buying a sunblock, just read about its ingredients. If it has zinc in it, which is a physical sun shield, only then you will get the whitish tinge. If your sunblock does not have zinc, and zinc containing sunblocks are usually required when you will be going on the outdoors, you're at the beach, or you have some certain sort of a sun sensitivity.
So it's basically for very strong
Yes, so
sun,
buy like one which wouldn't have that, and you wouldn't get the white tint on your skin.
Okay, so that's something a lot of you, I bet, did not know, and we might even ask a question on that later, guys. So stay attentive, because that's what our quiz might be based on as well. Somebody's asking what would be best for eczema. Madiha Khan is asking, please tell her something for eczema. Do you recommend any facials for all these skin problems? Like you can talk about that as well.
Eczema is a really big term that you label. We need to diagnose what kind of an eczema it is.
I know a lot of them it's just dry patches and people consider it's eczema.
So sometimes a lot of people come to me and they have dry patches, and they think it's just a dry patch, but they're suffering from something which is called a fungus on the face, and they're using the wrong kind of products. So we need to first examine your skin, guide you about what would treat it, and then we can recommend daily home care plans, which you can even buy over the counter, masks by any kind of company like L'Oreal, Neutrogena, anything. We could tell you which ones you can add to your daily routine. Eczema is a really big term. I mean, you need to come and discuss with me, tell me what kind and how does it trigger, what bothers it,
what doesn't.
Yes, and then we can.
So guys, don't self-diagnose your skincare problems. I know a lot of you have very serious scarring, acne, all because आप लोगों ने घर बैठ के DIYs शुरू कर दिए कि lemon मुंह पे लगा लेंगे तो you guys will be fairer, or the scars will go away. या eczema भी खुद ही diagnose कर लेते हैं, melasma, and I hear a lot about these problems coming from you guys. So please always go to a certified dermatologist, because they have a degree in it. That's why they're examining all of this. Try Dr. Amna. She has her own clinic. For those of you who live in Lahore, she has the Clio Clinic. Where is it?
It's in Gulbarga. We're located very close to the Sapphire and Generation store. We're on the main road, and our location, everything is on our page. You can reach me, we can guide you, and you can come to us and see us.
So guys, check it out at the Clio Clinic. Their page is on Insta and Facebook as well.
Okay,
so they have a Facebook and Instagram page as well. So those of you who have some serious eczema, acne, or all of these issues, Dr. Amna recommends amazing products, and she has a lot of different facials that she does and a lot of different procedures that she can recommend for you guys and your different problems as well.
So somebody's asking about Shazi, brown and dark spots on the face.
Oh, pigmentation, right?
Yeah. So for pigmentation, again, you need to be getting the right kind of diagnosis. What kind of pigmentation is it? Is it freckles? Is it melasma? Is it acne marks? Are these skin tanning? Is it some kind of a freckle that you have developed? Or is it post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation, which people usually get after chronic face rashes, or people are getting polishers done in the market and then they get burns.
Can we please talk about how harmful bleach really is? Because I know Pakistan Mom is crazy about this.
So first you need to get the right kind of diagnosis and find out what kind of pigmentation you have, and then we can help you target the cause, and then we can help you reduce it. Once we know what's causing it, we remove that thing from your life and tell you, okay, you're not supposed to be doing this. And then there are certain, they're not cosmeceutical, but then there are pharmaceutical range products that can be used to reduce the pigmentation. So we can help you choose those for you. And you know, like you just said, bleach is very common in our country.
Yeah, in every party we have it going.
I just did an article with Libas Now. We just did a whole article on pigmentation with them. And you know, something really fantastic came through me. Like, everyone in our country wants to become white.
Yeah.
Everybody wants to have whitening treatments. People come to me, they say whitening. We are notorious for this. That you know, Pakistani Asian skin people are more in need of a whiter skin. The thing is, we are basically, those people are not wanting white skin. When I speak to them, when I talk to them, they are more towards asking for a clearer complexion and evened out skin tone.
Yeah.
So unfortunately, lack of knowledge, lack of awareness, they resort towards using the wrong kind of whitening creams, and then it's downhill from there for them. Har cheez pe kharab hoti hai. So that's what I would tell all of you, that do not resort towards using these unbranded whitening creams. They have very dangerous ingredients which can be extremely damaging. I have cases coming to me with stretch marks all over their body, or their skin is so thinned out that all the vessels are appearing on the skin. So just do not think that whitening is the way to sort all sorts of pigmentation.
And that too, with like a lot of people, और उनको ज़रूरत भी नहीं होती है अक्सर, if you look at their skin ना, कि it will be solved with one ingredient product or something like that. वो लोग जा के chemical peels करा रहे होते हैं, और मतलब you need to get your skin assessed by a certified dermatologist. See what you need for your skin. अगर आपको इतना serious मसला है, scarring है, तो please get your skin assessed by a proper dermatologist, और फिर आप लोग products लें, फिर आप लोग अपनी मर्जी करें उस चीज़ में. अक्सर लोग, I know a lot of people, और ये बहुत देसी टोटके हमारी country में बहुत ज़्यादा follow होते हैं. So people are applying lemon on their face, and that's so bad for you guys. And I talked about this in my last live session as well, कि देसी टोटके भी आप लोग देख के यूज करें. Just because lemon में brightening effects किसी कंपनी ने लिख दिए हैं कि प्रोडक्ट में है, does not mean आप उसको on your face ऐसे ही लगा सकते हैं.
And also because once these products are incorporated into a sellable product, these ingredients are processed, they're balanced, then they are added in the product. They are just not randomly, they just wouldn't take a lemon and add it into a cream, right?
So a lot of people are firstly saying कि आप लोग उर्दू में बात करें because it's harder to understand. Okay, so हम लोग थोड़ी उर्दू में भी साथ बातें करते रहेंगे ताकि सारों को क्लियर हो जाए बात. एंड अगर आप लोगों को फिर भी कोई सवाल है तो आप लोग हमसे पूछ सकते हैं. अच्छा, so वकार is asking स्किन को टाइट करने के लिए कुछ recommend करें.
Alright, so if you are looking for something to apply to tighten and lift the skin, then look for products containing retinol. Retinol is something that you can find in the L'Oreal series as well. Quite a few of their night creams, and
we have their L'Oreal Revital Lift range.
And as I see on your page, you've mentioned it's for
lifting and tightening and
everything. And the price, how much is the price?
Okay, so the price for the Revital Lift is only $11.99, guys. So it's that affordable. मतलब खाली 1200 में you guys have कि 2 महीने आपके at least निकल जाते हैं, and that's good for your skin. Commonly occurring problem in our live sessions. Everyone wants a recommendation for dark circles.
Alright, so when we talk about dark circles, you should know that dark circles are formed by 3 components. There's number 1, there's a hollow under the skin, so that's one part of it. Okay. Some people get darkening under the eye area, so there's a change in the color. And then there is wrinkling. Wrinkling comes because of aging, losing collagen in your skin, and the skin becomes finer and finer. So So that's what dark circles are, and that's what dark circles, that's how they appear. What can be done is that you can incorporate a good eye cream. That's just a starting point. So when you're buying an eye cream over the counter, that's a very minimal percentage of ingredients. And if you want to go something more towards the professional side, then like for example, if I have my own skincare line, it's by the name The Skin Theory. We make products which are going to be containing a little bit higher percentage because doctors are allowed to prescribe and dispense a higher percentage than over the counter.
Obviously, you will assess the skin as well, like if somebody can handle that percentage.
Exactly, that's the gist. that if we are then able to prescribe it too. So for a beginner, you should start incorporating a good eye cream. L'Oreal does this amazing eye cream. You can add that. And in the morning times, you should also think, nobody in Pakistan or most of my patients who come to me have no knowledge about using a morning eye brightening cream. So having a good eye brightening cream in the morning is also something which you should be doing. When you apply your sunblock, you should be applying it around your eye area as well.
Exactly. So somebody's asking, अगर suntan हो गया है, so what's the next step that we should be taking?
Alright, so if you already have acquired a tan, then the first thing is we need to see, is it a sunburn or is it just a sun tan?
So how do you assess that?
So a sunburn would lead with redness and a lot of exfoliation, which is basically peeling हो रही होती है skin की, और redness के साथ साथ skin उतर रही होती है. So mostly लोगों को नाक पे ये feeling आएगी because ये सबसे ज़्यादा आपकी pointy area होता है जहाँ पे light fall करती है. आपको cheeks पे आपको feel होगा. So of course if it's a sunburn, we'll treat it with a medicine. We'll give you something to apply to treat the burn, and then once the burn settles, we'll start you on something to help reduce the pigmentation.
Alright.
So that could be something with glycolic acid. So any product containing glycolic acid is a way to get rid of skin tan.
So I know very commonly used glycolic acid is the is a good product to use.
So it has 7%. And I think for beginners incorporate any kind of skincare products in their routine, it's not a bad thing to add.
It's not a bad thing to add.
Yeah.
Okay, so for those of you asking कि tan हो क्या है, उसके बाद क्या किया जाए, you heard her. She's talked about first you have to assess whether it's a sunburn or it's just it's what, sunburn or heat?
Or a suntan.
Suntan, right. So for a suntan, you guys can utilize over-the-counter products like glycolic acid and others. And even if you have a sunburn, if it's not too extreme, you can treat it by yourself. Okay. Freckles की बात हो रही, guys. I think freckles are pretty much permanent. Is there something really good for open pores? And somebody wants to know your skincare routine as well, but we'll come to that in the end because I know that is all what you're waiting for. But हम वो सबसे end में बात करेंगे. So, do you have something for open pores? Okay, so a lot of people are asking us about open pores. Hi, Alan Fatma, we are replying to your question.
Okay, so open pores is something everyone we see has. Pores is a part of your skin. It's not something that someone acquires with time. Pores are always there. It's
so
just
you can't completely eliminate
no,
it.
it's just that with age your pores appear more because your skin starts to lose collagen. When you lose collagen, the pore size starts to appear more drastically on your face. So initially, people who are in their teenage and watching us right now and early 20s, they should be very regular with their sunblock so they can retain and protect and bank the collagen of their skin where it is. And then adding products like vitamin C containing products and niacinamide containing products. Like for example, in my skincare line, we have this product. It's called Be Nice. It has a very high percentage of niacinamide, and it really helps in keeping your pores closed, and it balances your skin oil sebum control. So the more oily the skin, the more open the pore is. The more dry the skin, the more open the pore is. So what you need to do is you need to use a balancing product. So add vitamin C, niacinamide, and lastly a retinol in your daily regime to tighten your pores.
What age is it safe to start using retinol?
So age is not the thing. The thing is that your skin age is what you have to look at. You see girls in their 16, 17 and their skin is so battered and so smashed and वो इतनी खराब हो चुकी होती है कि वो एक 35-year-old की स्किन लग रही होती है मुझे. तो आप अपनी स्किन की असेस करो कि आपकी स्किन किस लेवल पे है और फिर प्रोडक्ट को अपनी लाइफ उसमें इंकॉर्पोरेट करो. सो रेटिनॉल्स के लिए हम एक्ने की ट्रीटमेंट में भी रेटिनॉल्स यूज करते हैं और हम टीनेजर्स को भी देते हैं. सो अगर आप एक स्किन इंथुजियास्ट हो और आप चाहते हो कि आपकी स्किन हमेशा के लिए ग्रो करे और फ्रेश लगे और टाइट रहे, देन यू कैन स्टार्ट यूजिंग अ रेटिनॉल, टॉपिकल रेटिनॉल अराउंड 17-18 years पे आप स्टार्ट कर सकते हो.
So that's one of the most commonly asked questions जो आप लोग हम सबसे पूछते हैं कि is retinol safe to use? Shumaila, we did talk कि needs shiny skin के लिए आप she talked about a lot of different ingredients that you can incorporate, and she talked about a lot of different products by L'Oreal and others, The Ordinary, and a lot of other skincare. She has her own skincare going on as well by the name of Skin Fury, right?
Yeah.
So that's available with her as well. So if you guys are looking for any good products, do check out her page, check out adore.pk. We have the L'Oreal on 20% plan as well. So I think I'm just gonna announce a small giveaway right now, so you guys don't get too bored or anything. So it's gonna be a quiz-based giveaway, and it's gonna be from something she talked about. So let me know if you guys are ready, and I will ask you guys the question. I think I'll ask them the sunblock one. Okay.
Actually, a lot of people are also asking about blackheads. Should I tell about?
Yes. Still they.
While we are, yeah.
Yes.
So blackheads are also a part of acne.
Mm-hmm.
So a lot of people think that blackheads is a separate entity. Blackheads is basically acne, a type of acne.
Mm-hmm.
So we can treat it properly with medication, and at the same time we should be using exfoliating face washes and scrubs.
Right.
And I think the clay mask would be a good idea to use once a week.
So you guys, we have these L'Oreal clay masks in 4 different variants actually. All of them cater to a different problem, and I think for blackheads, the clay mask would the black charcoal clay mask would work best.
It would be a good idea to use that.
Okay, so guys, I might just give this one away if you guys are participating enough with us. So all you have to do is start sharing the session, start engaging with us, and I'm going to announce the question real soon. I want to see a lot of excitement and a lot of reacts from you guys, and that's when I'll announce the giveaway. Okay, Anam is asking the best moisturizer for super oily skin, please.
Alright, so moisturization, like we just talked about in the beginning, that you should be using a good day cream, which it has a moisturizing base. So we recommended the L'Oreal Hyaluron Expert Cream.
Yes.
And then if you are wanting to add something more intense, we have a moisturizer by skin. You can add that. Physiogel is also a really good brand of moisturizers, so you can use that.
I've heard the Cetaphil lotion, a lot of people recommend that as well.
Yeah.
But is it good for oily skin?
देखो, good for oily skin or not oily skin के लिए moisturization is good, but finding out what moisturizer would be best would be by you use it, you get it recommended by a consultant dermatologist. Only then you'll be able to find the right kind of moisturizer for yourself. Like I said before, it's a misconception that people with oily skin should not moisturize. So yes, Cetaphil would be a good option for moisturization. Use thin aqua-based moisturizers. Do not use very thick ones. Use light aqua gel-based moisturizers, and that would be a good idea.
Okay, guys. So for those of you, a lot of you who joined Abhi, hi Amber, hi Rashta. So we have with us Dr. Amna. She's a certified dermatologist, and she's talked all about skincare concerns, and she's recommended a lot of different products to you guys as well. But before we move forward, I'm going to announce a small giveaway, and that giveaway will be based on something that Dr. Amna has talked about. So you guys, I want to see a lot of reacts and a lot of sharing and a lot of engagement with us. Okay. So the question is, let me know if you guys are ready and I will ask the question. We're going to have to see who answers there first. I'm going to have to see who answers here first, okay? Okay, you guys, so she talked about this one ingredient that is in sunblocks that causes the white greasy effect, the white residue that it leaves on your skin. What is that one ingredient? ऐसा कौन सा ingredient है sunblocks में जिसकी वजह से आपकी skin पर white residue रह जाता है? So the first person to answer this question wins a small giveaway by us, but it'll be worth more than 2,000 to 3,000.
Someone already just answered.
Oh wow, that was fast. Okay.
Sarah Hussain.
So for Instagram, the winner is Sarah Hussain. Congratulations, Sarah Hussain. Please send us your details on Facebook, and we will give you the giveaway as well. And your giveaway is. Okay, so we are giving you this Pure Clay Mask by L'Oreal and this Maybelline Eye Pencil. So congratulations on winning this gift. Please send us your details on Facebook and we will get back to you. No guys, it's not niacinamide.
Zing, 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 zing.
Insta pe aa gaya, Facebook pe wait kariye. Okay guys, so please, no Iram, it is not niacinamide. Okay, Humber says, okay, somebody answered here as well. Okay, so Sabine Athar was the first one to answer on Facebook. Congratulations, Sabine Athar. You also have won another mask of this and another liner. So please send us your details on Facebook and we will get back to you with the giveaway information. Okay, so moving back to our session. So okay, lastly, Dr. Amna, what we want to ask you is, what is your skincare routine? Because I see your skin is very smooth, very fair, very, perfect. So tell us about it.
Okay, so, because I was aware, I have always been using a sunblock, and I remember when I was in med school, I would not leave the house without applying it, to the level that we would protect ourselves from using umbrellas as well, because our campuses are huge, we have to travel from one place to another to take lectures. So I'm a sunblock lover. If I'm traveling, I have a sunblock small travel size bottle in my bag. I'm going to have it in my luggage. So sunblock is the one thing I'm really crazy about. And then one very basic thing that we do at our clinic, it's called microdermabrasion. It's a very pocket-friendly procedure, and you can start getting it done as young as 16, 17 years. It helps in exfoliating the skin, so your skin gets in a habit of, having a good skin cell turnover. So every month, at least once a month, I get that done for myself. It helps in giving me that clean HD skin look. It just makes my pores, makes
so
my
that's a monthly procedure.
Yeah, so that's something which is extremely economical, and it's not invasive, has no side effects, so you can opt for that. So that's something that I get done for myself as well. And then
so a lot of you are asking where you can meet her. You guys, she has her own clinic called the Cleo Clinic at Kulbert, so do visit her for more information on your personalized skincare and everything. Okay, so continue.
Yeah, so and then in the morning, when I start off my day, I use the Cereal C cream. It's a cream which has vitamin C in it. It's available at my clinic, and you could opt for any good vitamin C containing product in the morning before your sunblock. So I wake up, I cleanse, and then I put my vitamin C cream, and then I'll layer my sunblock on top. Thank God I don't have discoloration, that I don't have to put on a lot of foundation. What I do is I would just conceal sometimes. Now that we're wearing face masks at work, I hardly have to even do that. So I would just get my eyebrows done. My sister is a fantastic makeup artist. Her name is Malak Manan, and she has really helped me learn how to have my glowy look in in my daily routine.
And
so she recommended this really cool shimmer to me, so that's my go-to product. I just splash that up on my face. I'm not going to tell you here what it is, it's my secret. And then that really gives me a really nice glow.
So we have this very funny comment sort of. Dr. Amna, some dermatologist said sunblock is not good to apply on face every time because sunlight is good for skin and there is no harm to face the sun. Is it true?
This is absolutely wrong. Whatever dermatologist send this to you, you should go back to them and tell them to open their books. So go by the book. I go by the book. I read my book and I recommend whatever is written in whatever I've been trained and educated in with years of education. Just don't listen to her.
So guys, this is common knowledge that you have to apply the sunblock. But अक्सर मैं जब घर में भी रह रही होती हूँ, but I know I'm going to go in front of some windows and some stuff. I try to wear some sort of sunblock or something or the other. So guys, this is absolutely wrong that you heard that sunblock is not good for you. And no, sunlight is good for you because you get the vitamin D, but you still need to protect your skin from it. You're still absorbing all the vitamin D that you need to.
Yes. It's just sunblocks don't stop the sun. They let your skin feel the sun. It's just protecting you from UVA and UVB, which can eventually.
I feel that sunblock use करने से pigmentation dark हो जाती है. Wow.
There's a latest research I was just reading by this group of Korean doctors, and they did a research. They gave a depigmentation product to 10 patients, and they gave just sunblock to 10 patients, and all those 10 groups of patients had the same kind of melasma on their face. Melasma जो कि हमारी छाई जिसे कहते हैं, जो हमारी population में बहुत ज़्यादा देखी जाती है. And surprisingly, the people who were using sunblock only improved more than the people who had been given a 2% hydroquinone, which is like a bleaching agent, which we do put in our creams. So the research proved that just eventually even sunblocks would be something that will help in
because they're probably preventing further damage to your skin. So all of those who are looking for a solution to your pigmentation as well, Dr. Amna just told us about this very, very interesting study Okay, sunblock even reduces the look of pigmentation, guys. So do check this out. Amber is agreeing with you, and she says yes, definitely most dermatologists should know all of this. Okay, so moving back to her final routine. Yes, okay.
Alright, so yeah, so that's what I would do in the day. Usually during midday, I wouldn't really be, I would have my sunblock on the whole day. If I feel that I've been overexposed, I might do like a, you know, a lot of brands are making spray sunblocks.
Yeah.
And powder-based SPF, so I would just dab a little bit of that to top it up.
Yeah.
And then at night time, what I would do is that I double cleanse, which is a very commonly you know, term which you all must know about. So I use the Garnier micellar water. That's one of my
really
favorites.
for
Yes,
removing
so
your makeup.
yeah, I do recommend it to my patients as well. And then I have my face wash, which is an AHA BHA kind of a ingredient containing face wash. It's called Vava Voom Cleanser. I would just, you know,
I have heard of this.
yeah, so I would just use that to cleanse my skin. And then every day, my skincare tray would have different kind of products that I would use. If I'm feeling that my skin has been dry and dehydrated, that day I would avoid my retinol.
Yeah.
And instead I would use something like
hyaluronic acid.
Yeah, I would add that. I would use a hyaluronic acid based
Yes.
cream, and if the day that I feel my skin is fine, it hasn't been in the sun for too long, I would use my retinol.
Yeah.
So that's that. That's what I do, and that's pretty simple.
Which moisturizer do you top it off with?
So my usually daily
And do
use
you
mask-
use like sleeping masks and stuff?
No, I'm not too keen on doing that. It's not that comfortable for me to be sleeping with some stuff on my face. I would rather use a good quality moisturizer which would be hydrating me throughout the night. So we have this combination of retinol and lactic acid in one of our products. It's called the Skintini. It's one of my most famous products. So we would use that, and then, you know, I do like the L'Oreal Hyaluron Expert Night Cream. It really helps in hydrating my skin. It's not greasy, so it lets my skin breathe throughout the night, and it really it smells really good. So it really gives me a nice sleep. So I like that too. So this is what I would do at night time.
Okay, so Miraj is asking hyaluronic acid serum के साथ moisturize करना must है या नहीं?
कोई भी स्किन केयर चीज मस्ट नहीं होती है. इट्स योर चॉइस, आप जो करना चाहते हैं. सो यू कैन incorporate things according to what you feel like. Your skin is behaving the way your skin is behaving. You can add that product in your routine.
Okay, so Naila is asking which retinol is good. Okay, so she has her own skincare brand as well, and she has a moisturizer that she just talked about, which has retinol and lactic acid both, right?
Yeah.
So that's the one she was talking about. Do check it out on her page by the name of Cleo Clinic. Do you have a separate skincare page?
No, we haven't yet launched our website, so the products will be available on the website as well. And
so if you want to buy them right now, where do we buy them?
So you reach me, you message me, I will help you, and in the long run we might stock it at a door, so you might as well reach.
I hope you do, because these products sound absolutely amazing, and I love the different combinations as well, because you never find these in one product. So guys, do check these out at the Cleo Clinic on Instagram and Facebook, and we will drop down the links once this live session ends. Okay, so guys, I hope all of you, this was very very informative for you guys. Maybe eyes ke paas long black patches bane 2 years pehle. Okay, so for those of you who have very serious skincare problems, she has her clinic in Gulberg. Please do visit her, and she has a lot of affordable products as well for those of you, affordable procedures as well for those of you who are asking the price range as well. Okay, so guys, before we end this, we have one more giveaway for a lucky winner who has engaged with us throughout this session. So, do you want to pick one from Instagram?
Okay, because I've been reading this person's messages. Her name is Fariha9075, and she has been asking me quite a few questions. Sorry, I haven't been able to answer. She was asking me for a good foundation. So that's something we get asked a lot. A lot of people do ask us about makeup recommendations as well. So whenever you walk up to a makeup aisle and you see like a lot of foundations, read up reviews before going in. All the pages have reviews about what the product felt for different people who actually used it, and they're not just the company's reviews. So I think in one of the comments, Fariha had written that she has really dry skin. So it's not just about selecting the right foundation, it's also about how you apply it. So you should have a good base, you should cleanse, you should apply one of the products that we've discussed so far, something containing hyaluronic acid. And then something very basic like a L'Oreal, I think it's called Infallible.
We have the Maybelline
Yeah.
Fit Me and the L'Oreal Infallible. I've
Yeah.
personally used this foundation, guys,
Yeah.
and it is really, really good for everyday use. And those of you who are into drugstore brands,
Yeah.
this is a wonderful foundation to try out on your skin. I have used this as well, and it works really, really well for oily skin because it has a matte finish to it. So, guys, okay, so you want to give it to Fariha?
Yeah.
Okay. So guys, Dr. Amna has picked the winner from Instagram, and the winner is Fariha5075. That's your username. Please reach out to us on Facebook so we can contact you for your details to give you the giveaway as well. Okay, so we have to pick one from Facebook. Okay. A lot of people engaging. We have a lot of comments here. Okay. So I have okay. So guys, the winner for the Facebook giveaway is Saima Usman. Congratulations, Saima! You're the winner for Facebook, and you'll be getting a free product as a giveaway for engaging with us as well. And this is sponsored by L'Oreal as well, guys. We have a flat 20% sale going on at Duo.pk on L'Oreal, and we have a lot of different Kerastase bundles and L'Oreal Professional Hair Care bundles, so do check them out. They're wonderful for your hair. So that was it from us today. I hope you liked this session and it was informative for you. For all of those who won the giveaway, please inbox us your details so we can reach out to you. So that was it from Adore and Dr. Amna today. It was lovely having you here, and we hope we can do this more often, and I hope a lot of people who have some serious skincare concerns do visit her at her clinic for recommendations. So take care, guys. We'll see you next time on our session.
Thanks for having me over.
No
Bye.
problem.